In this video I'd like to show you how to remove the door handle and side mirror Porsche Macan. This is Porsche Macan 2024. First we need to remove this, and then lift this one, and then this side mirror we need to remove. Okay, first we're gonna remove this one and use the T20. Here is the T20. Remove this one. And then you will see the T20 Allen bolt also there inside. But you need to lift this one first before you lose that bolt. You have to move it counterclockwise until you reach the end. Now to fix this one, now to return this one, I'm going to show you how. Then return this. that's it. I hope it will help. Okay, see you guys. Just remember, before you remove this, just first remove this one, and then before you loose counterclockwise the bolt inside, you need to pull this one, and then continue counterclockwise, and then after the end, when you reach the end, this handle will go and stuck, and then you can remove and pull out this black one cover, and then you can pull out the door handle. Okay, next time I will show you how to remove this side view mirror. Thank you guys.